how to enroll a business in your mobile app for online banking. You will need the business TIN number, EIN number, or Social Security number, and also your member number. Click Enroll to start the process. Change the account type to business. Fill in the required information and then click Continue. Then, you will need to create a username and password. To ensure your account security, please follow the guidelines when creating your username and password. Review your account information and make sure to read the terms and conditions before checking the box for the agreement. Lastly, confirm and enroll. Congratulations! You are now ready to use online banking.